Hi everyone, today in this video I will show you some simple methods using which you can fix the disconnected from the AnyDesk network error very easily. So let's get started. The first method, go to your taskbar and quit the AnyDesk app if it is running. Now go to control panel. Go to programs and features from here. Find AnyDesk and uninstall it. Once uninstalled, restart your computer for the changes to take effect. In the next method, search for run and in the run dialog box type %appdata% and click on OK. You'll find a AnyDesk folder here. Simply delete this folder. Now restart your computer for the changes to take effect. In the next method, search for Windows Defender Firewall. From here, click on this option. Now you will find AnyDesk in this list. Simply select it and click on Change Settings. Now click on Details. Click on this option and select the public network and click on OK. Once the setting is changed, simply restart your computer for the change to take effect. In the last method, search for date and time settings. Now once here, make sure the region you are belonging to is correct. After that, also make sure you are on the proper time zone. Now click on sync. That's it. At the last, you can also check your network connection. Make sure you are on a stable network. If required, switch between networks, or you can also try connecting to mobile internet and see if the issue gets resolved or not. So once done with that, simply run AnyDesk and this time you won't face any error. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.